How to fix Skype echo problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype echo problem on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Skype. Click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here. Just click on it and click allow, and then allow all of those, and that's it. And click this one here, drag over other apps, click on it, and now just make sure it's disabled, and then click right system settings and make sure also it's disabled, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.